Hello guys, back again in my YouTube channel with me, Edgar. Today I would like to discuss about speaking grammatical errors and mistakes which commonly occur in English education department students, especially in Duta Wacana Christian University. So the case is, the common problem which occur in the students' education English department is when they're speaking, they commonly forgot about the using of verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and about the SV agreement plus in the end. Because when the student speaking and talking to someone else, it commonly happens spontaneously. So then they didn't have a moment, they didn't have a time to thinking about the correct grammar they should use. Moreover, this one is I have research. Whenever I find a native speaker, I asked them about the correct grammar. I asked, do you know the second conditional and the first conditional? And the native speaker, most of them didn't know, and some of them say we just talk, and we realized that if not the native speaker, I mean the Asian, they try to understand, and if the native speaker understand and without the correct grammar, the native speaker, the Westerners, they feel fine from it. So because the native speakers itself ignore the grammar, the students from English education department, my department, also ignore. But actually that is the wrong way to learn English, because they have to realize and have to use the correct grammar. That one is different when the students do a writing. When the students do a writing, they have a time, they have a moment to thinking again, thinking about the using of the correct grammar. They have a time to think, to using SV agreement, using past tense or future tense. So most of the students in English education department, they were doing the best using in English in writing rather than they in speaking or talking to someone else. So I will give you an example of mistakes in speaking grammatical. For example, when the English education department meet another students but from the same department in cafeteria, in mall, in restaurant, they still communicating in English. They still use English as their communication instrument. They often ignore the rules of the using of verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and SV agreement. Like when they say go, but actually it already happens in the past. They should use went instead of go. But they seems ignored it because one another understanding each other. So I think they not really ignore, but as long as one another understand what they speak, what they talking, I think it would be fine. Especially for the English education department from Duta Wacana Christian University, it's not a problem at all. As long as they understand each other, it would be fine. Okay, I already explained about the common mistake which occur in English education department, and I also provide the example. Okay, I hope this video could help you in your learning process. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.